Chances are you're already using AI tools, but are you getting paid for it? In this video, I'll show you 8 ways to make money with AI tools, even if you've never used them before. The first idea is the most obvious one: writing texts. That's what AI tools are great at. And this is why they're called LLMs, large language models. Not long ago, writing an article or a batch of product descriptions could take days. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and WriteSonic can help you create blog posts, descriptions, ad copy, email sequences, anything you need. But here's the catch. AI can generate as many texts as you want, but you still have to polish it so it sounds natural to real people. This is what beginners often don't realize. So what makes this idea a good way to start? High demand. Businesses constantly need all kinds of written content, so demand is strong. Speed and efficiency. AI creates texts in minutes, letting you take more orders and earn more. Accessibility. No formal education needed. Just basic writing skills and an eye for quality. But there are a few things you should be aware of. High competition. The market is crowded, so success depends on specialization and style. Human review. You gotta check facts, grammar, and brand tone carefully. AI still does make mistakes. But what if writing is not your thing? Maybe you're more of a visual person. In that case, you'll love this next idea. There was a time when designing a banner or removing a background required serious skill. Some may remember using the lasso tool in early Photoshop, click by click, pixel by pixel. If someone had shown us today's AI tools back then, we wouldn't have believed it. 2 clicks and I could replace my car model in a photo or swap my cat for a crocodile. No way. Impossible. I don't believe it. But that's reality now. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Adobe Firefly let you create logos, icons, illustrations, product photos, and even short social videos in just minutes. What used to take a full photo shoot or a long retouch session now takes just a few minutes. All right, here's why this idea can work really well. Speed. You can create unique, high-quality images in just minutes. Multiple income streams. You can sell your work as digital assets or print-on-demand merchandise. Low entry barrier. No drawing skills required. It's your creative vision that matters the most. But there are a few downsides as well. High competition. It's a crowded market, so a unique style helps you stand out. Legal risks. Some AI artworks can't be copyrighted because they use existing art styles. Low consistency. AI can be unpredictable, making a uniform style harder to maintain. You know what I love about AI? Often, you're getting paid monthly for something that runs on autopilot. Okay, sound good? Then now here's the next idea. Since telephones were first invented, companies have kept entire support teams to answer the same questions. Where's my order? How do I book an appointment? Do you deliver on weekends? Those agents could get sick, quit, or just be overloaded, leading to delays and unhappy customers. AI chatbots can handle up to 80% of requests automatically. They don't sleep, they don't need breaks, and they reply within seconds. An owner of a small print shop in Texas I know now uses a chatbot to answer all direct messages, and he says it saves them 15 hours a week. That's huge. You can build such bots using platforms like ChatGPT, Make.com, or Zapier. Okay, why I think this idea is worth trying. Recurring income. You can charge setup fees and charge for ongoing support or updates. High demand from small businesses. Even small companies now need automation. Low entry barrier. No coding required. Templates and visual tools are readily available. But there are some challenging parts as well. System knowledge. Big clients may need complex integrations. Customization. Each client's workflow is unique, so scaling can be tricky. Maintenance. Chatbots often require regular updates and error checks. Chatbots can save hours, but guess what? You could help businesses do that on a larger scale. Picture a typical company, endless spreadsheets and repeated manual reports. Everyone's busy, but a lot of that work could be automated. The owners know AI can help, but they don't know where to start. That's where you come in. You talk to the team, spot bottlenecks, and suggest AI tools to save time and money. You're like a mechanic for business processes. Find what's slowing things down and fix it. For example, you can automate reports so that every Monday, managers get clean summaries, top issues, completed tasks, and top-paying clients without weekend overtime. Okay, and here's why consulting can be a solid income stream. High earning potential. You can charge for audits and for ongoing consulting. Expert status. This positions you as a trusted problem solver. Scalability. You can grow into an agency managing multiple clients. But you have to keep this in mind. Expertise is needed. You must understand both business processes and AI tools. Long sales cycle. It takes time to build trust with executives. Complex communication. You'll often need to explain tech in simple terms. Responsibility. Clients expect measurable results. Now, if consulting sounds too serious, here's something simpler. You can use AI to create something every business needs: a website. Building a website used to be hard work. You had to hire a developer or spend weeks learning code. I know from experience. I tried once and quickly gave up. Now AI website builders can create professional sites in just minutes. Type "I run a flower shop in Chicago," and the AI generates a layout, text, images, and colors that fit your niche. For beginners, this is like magic. You can offer clients not just the site, but extra services like SEO, email automation, or a blog maintained by AI. And here's what makes this idea so appealing: speed. Designs and content drafts are created in minutes. There's a low entry barrier, no coding knowledge needed. High earning potential. You can offer extra services like SEO or automation. But you've guessed correctly, there are some drawbacks. Competition. Many other freelancers offer similar services, so you'll have to stand out. Client management. Some customers expect constant updates. So, websites are cool, but did you know you can earn money simply by learning how to talk to AI the right way? Many people think AI can think, but it can't. It's more like a smart worker who follows exact instructions. If you say, "Draw a dog," you might get any dog. But if you say, "A close-up of a golden retriever puppy looking left with soft light and a shallow depth of field," the result is perfect. That is prompt engineering, turning vague ideas into precise instructions that AI understands. You can earn by selling prompt packs, like 50 prompts for Shopify ads or portrait presets for Midjourney, etc. You can also create custom prompts for companies or even teach prompting through courses. So, why is prompt engineering getting so popular? Here's why. Rising demand. Businesses use AI, but few know how to write good prompts. There's a low entry barrier. Anyone can learn through practice and creativity. But there are some tricky parts. Fast changes. Your prompts may stop working as models update. Unstable market. It's still a new niche with uncertain pricing. Prompts are good. And what's even better, you can turn those prompts into a full product. Let's see how people are doing that. Every week, new AI apps appear for editing videos, summarizing films, making music, and much more. Many are created by individuals, not big companies. For example, tools that remove silence from podcasts or clean up food photos. These prove that anyone can build something useful. Find a problem, create a tool to fix it, and test if people will pay for it. Building your own AI product can really pay off because, 1, it's scalable. One product can reach thousands and earn recurring income. And 2, there's high demand. People pay for tools that save time. But here are the downsides. High effort. Building and testing takes time. Risk of failure. Not every idea succeeds. And last, there's a technical learning curve. Complex apps may require coding skills. Okay, one last idea, and this one's perfect if you've ever thought your language skills could earn you some extra cash. The internet is global, and businesses want international customers. To reach them, they need websites, ads, and product descriptions in multiple languages. AI can translate text almost instantly, but it still struggles with nuance and emotion. That's where you come in, refining the AI's translation to sound natural and culturally accurate. This mix of machine speed and human editing is in high demand among e-commerce brands, software developers, and YouTubers like Mr. Beast, who translates his videos into over 14 languages. AI localization is a great earning opportunity because of the following. High speed. AI shortens translation time dramatically. Global demand. Businesses expanding abroad need multilingual content. It's a flexible niche. You can specialize in technical, marketing, or video translations. But here's what you should keep in mind. Language expertise. You need solid knowledge of both languages, or you need to hire a proofreader. Cultural nuance. Machines often miss idioms, humor, and emotion. And finally, there's client trust. Some companies remain skeptical of AI translation quality. So, we've gone through 8 ways to use AI to make money, from writing and design to building tools and translating. Now, let's bring it all together. Can you really make money with AI? Yes, but it's not about pressing one button and then waiting for cash to appear. AI is a tool that helps you save time, create faster, and think bigger. But it still needs your ideas, style, and control. AI isn't replacing us. It's helping us work smarter. If you've been thinking about trying AI, don't wait. Start experimenting today. If this video helped you, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.